Hi guys, I'm Bogdan and you are watching a new episode of ScaleD. On the last episode we promised a more detailed assembly of my Lego crawler crane. So today we came out to the yard of Demag CC. It's a crane rental company from my hometown. We came here to get a nice backdrop on the filming and of course to have the crane in her natural habitat. This is where my passion for cranes started. Over 9 years ago I actually worked for this crane company, being the first contact that I had with the wind industry. Today I work as a freelance site manager on wind turbine installation projects all over the world. I work with really big cranes on a daily basis, so my passion for cranes, work and Lego came together in my Lego crane model. So this is the crane, all spread out and ready to get assembled. The wind is picking up, so we're trying to get a little away from the wind. I want to tell you a couple of words about the crane. Of course, when building from Lego, you have the Lego trilemma. You have strength, functionality and realism. So you cannot always get all of them right. I went more on strength and functionality, so that the crane gets assembled and built and all the components are more or less like on the real crane. That's why the crane is not a real precise model of a certain crane, but is inspired from the 600-750 ton class. It has some influences of Liebherr, of Terex. I try to take from both whatever fits best in building with Lego. The crane is not 100% ready. I still need to make the superlift tray and a telescope for it. This will be mindstorm controlled, so it self-regulates in terms of load and working radius. So the boom is up, but as I said before, it's kind of windy today, so everything is shaking a little. Let's hope everything goes okay. We'll wait for Alfredo, our crane operator, to tell us if we can work or if it's too windy. If you want to see the crane live, you can see that this year's edition of Model Show Europe. It's a Model Expo in the Netherlands, only about cranes, heavy haulage and earth movers. It's not only Lego, all type of different models. This year's edition is the 28th edition, so it's a show with a lot of history. We'll be there on the 16th of March. We're also going to cover the show. I'm sure we can find some really interesting builds out there. So stay tuned for a special episode on Model Show Europe. So guys, this was it. This is a crane. I hope you enjoyed the video of the build. It's getting late, it's still a bit windy. Our crane operator is tired. He wants to go home, have a beer, so we need to start disassembling the crane.